are now tuned into Your Tie Too Tight, a Les Coteaux production on the Tobago Heritage Network.
Fia, wake up!
Yes, ma, what happened?
Relax. Nothing ain't happened. But I had a dream.
Oh gosh, ma, wait till I wake up properly now.
Hush and listen. I dream your father. And in the dream, I see a lady I don't know. But I intend to find out.
Oh, ma, you don't go on a lie and say you're pregnant. And daddy didn't even turn around.
Well, desperate time did call for desperate measures. Your father is a liar man too. He lie and say he cut the grass with his hand. And I feel he lying about Pearl too. So nothing wrong if I tell a little lie. All are we doing it. So this is my plan.
Oh gosh, mommy. I don't want to be a part of no plan, man. If daddy don't want to be here with we, let him go wherever he could be happy.
You is one stupid little girl, eh? You don't want to live in a happy home?
Yes.
You don't want to see me and your father happy?
Yes, ma.
Well, he have to die for achieve that. And he will do it by will or by force. I need you to bury my suspicions and go to Pearl House and find out if he there. But hear this. You can't ask Pearl, you know. You have to ask your sister Pushana and make sure you get all the details.
Okay, mommy. I will do it as soon as I wake up properly.
If you know what's good for you, you better get up and ready yourself.
Oh, gosh, mommy.
Oh, gosh, mommy. Final thing, I go wait for you by the bus shed. If he there, I want to catch him in the act. You go have to stay by she about 30 minutes, so they ain't go suspect nothing. Pearl go get what she looking for today.
Why you take so long to check me back? I have something real best to show you. Come inside now.
True. Don't tell me it's our next fall trap you're setting her. Remember the last one didn't work out. And daddy laugh at you.
I don't think it's that. It's not that, you know.
Oh, gosh. Good morning, Miss Pearl.
Madam Pearl for you, eh?
Sorry, madam.
Where, father?
I need you to bury my suspicions and go to Pearl House and find out if he there.
I don't know. Mommy and I ain't see him in 3 days.
3 days?
Mm-hmm.
And what your mother have to say about this?
Final thing, I go wait for you by the bus shed. If he there, I want to catch him in the act. You go have to stay by she about 30 minutes, so they ain't go suspect nothing.
Mommy ain't said nothing, you know. Wait. How long now I reach here?
Fia, you know reach. Not even at 3 minutes.
I have to go now.
Fia, but you know reach, girl.
Yes, but I'm tired.
Oh, okay, well, come back and check me later then.
You ain't find that was strange?
Yeah? But I wonder what happened to Fia, boy.
Now what happened to she? What she come here for? Is months she ain't pass by, and all of a sudden she come and then go so fast? Nah.
Well, she probably just wanted to see me.
Girl, hush, eh? I find she moved the change when I asked her she father, you know. It's almost as if she didn't expect to see him here. Wait. Unless she mother sent you to see if he here. I'm coming back.
But where you going, mommy?
Hey, how you reach back so fast? Catch your breath fast now, man. How you come back so fast? You see anything? Your father there?
Oh God, just now, man.
I tell you to stay 30 minutes. I sure Potong suspect something. Oh Lord, I fear. That little distance you run and I can't catch your breath yet. But
You should be ashamed to call yourself a mother. Look the hour of the morning you're sending your picnic to spy in my place.
what place? Pearl, I don't have no energy for you today. So go back in your dirty water pond and swim with your baby picnic and leave decent people in peace.
Decent? The only thing decent about you is how hard you just fight up to keep Long John in check after all these years. But like you didn't fight hard enough, because what will happen now?
What happened? Pearl, I don't want to hear nothing you have to say.
He not there, ma.
Mm-hmm. He not there, end? From the time I see Afia walk up in my place, I should have known it's you, Senshi. What you really want from me, Petlyn? Eh? What you keep coming around my place for? Where Long John, Petlyn?
Mommy, you okay?
Petlyn, where Long John?
I don't know.
I dream it, you know.
What you dream?
Another lady.
I dream the same thing.
Yeah. Well, when I dream the problem, I just see the solution one time.
So what you saying?
I saying I know how to get the man to come to his senses.
You just lie so much, eh? It's nothing more than you wanting for yourself. I don't trust you.
Let me ask you a question. You want the man to stay away from both of we?
No.
Well, then we have to do something. And I know exactly what it is. You ever hear about one named Papa Prowler?
No, me never hear about it.
Well, meet me back here for 6 this evening. And don't walk with your picnic, eh?
This episode is brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited, sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly and Republic Bank Limited.